To hard reset Samsung Galaxy A07 when you forgot your screen password, first of all, you have to connect this phone into your PC or into other smartphone. In my case, I'm actually connected into smartphone. So now you have to click and hold the power key and the volume down button simultaneously. Wait when the screen goes black. We have to release both buttons and quickly hold the volume up button and the power key. Just like this. We have to just make quick switch into the volume up button instead of the volume down button. And now when you get the Samsung logo, you have to just keep holding those buttons all the time until we enter for the recover mode. There we go. Now as you can see, we have to just scroll to the wipe data / factory reset, click on the power key, select factory data reset, and now as you can see, the reset is on the way. So what we have to do right now, select to reboot system now, and now the smartphone will turn on but without this password. And all you have to do right now is just to log into the same Google account that you were previously using on this device. And that's everything for this video.